Hello everybody, this is John Cleese with Lake Effect Garden Design, and we want to focus on another invasive plant that can get into your gardens. This is curly dock right here, and it gets, actually it's pretty easy to see because it gets very tall and you have very ruffly, skinny leaves. Again, I tend to wait till things get a little bit bigger so I can identify them to make sure that I'm not pulling out something that I don't want to pull out. If you cannot get to all of it, I have often found that in a lot of my gardens it comes up sporadically. So I'm a big fan of not pulling things out, but what you want to do is just make sure that you don't let it go to seed. So you can actually leave that there and that will be fine. It may or may not come back, but I have found that just cutting it and not letting it seed, eventually over the next couple of years, you can pretty much eradicate it from your garden if it's a pretty dense garden. So there you go. Get rid of your curly dock in your garden. I hope you like these videos. My name is John Cleese, and keep on planting.